Here's how to fix faded and washed out images in WordPress. I do want to mention I'm using a MacBook, but the concept and solution is the same or should be the same. So let me show you my WordPress site and show you some images that look faded. These are normal, but I do want to show you the one that doesn't look normal is this one. This image is actually this. This is the image that I uploaded and this is how it appeared. Let me just show you how this happens and how we can fix it. So again, I'm going to open up this image, which is right here. Right, so this is the image. So let's just upload. Let me just do a quick refresh. And let me just upload this image. So uploading this image might take some time just because the width of this is actually over 3,000 pixels, which is really just, it's actually too big or too wide. And as you can see, the image is still kind of faded or washed out. So what we're going to do is let's just delete this image. Let's just delete it. Just delete. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is let's open up. Okay, this image is already opened up. So what we want to do is decrease the size. Let's just update the size. So whatever you're using on the site, it's just slightly bigger. I'm going to use 800 pixels. And then let's just save this. File, save. The next thing we want to do is we're going to adjust the profile. So we're just going to assign a profile. Now, specifically, what we want to do is we want to select display P3, and then let's just save this. Save it. Okay, so let's re-upload this image. I'm just going to refresh it. So just upload this image. Upload this is new. Oh, another thing is let's also change the name of this. So let's just call it version 2. Just upload this. It should be quicker just because the size is smaller. All right. So as you can see, the image is clearer. Let's also add the alt text for accessibility purposes. It should save automatically, as you can see here. So now let's upload this image and replace it on my post. So let's go here. Let's go all the way down to the post that I want to replace. So from here, let's replace this. Let's put media library. Let's replace with this one. Let's just select this one. So save it. And let's just check out this post just to make sure that the image is replaced. And there you have it. The image is replaced. It's not faded or washed out. And that's how you fix faded or washed out images in WordPress. I hope this helps.